this guy, look, if you do the opposite of the angle, you're going to find that this is x, and this is x square root of t, square root of 2. So for example, if you have the square root, let's say that this is 90 and this guy is 5, and they tell you this is 45, then you guess this is 5 square root of 2. Let's say that they give me, again, this is 45, and they tell me that this is equals to 6 square root of 2. So what values do I have here? Well, remember, this is x square root of 2, so this is 6 and 6. Now, just so you remember, anytime you have a 45, 90, your ratio is going to be x square root of 2. Now, let's say that instead of having like a square root in the hypotenuse, let's say that you don't have that. Instead, you have here a 10, and this is equals to 45, right? Therefore, this has to be also 45. And they ask you for, the size. That's what you're like, well, what is my square root? Well, remember, x square root of 2, which is the one that belongs to the 90 degrees, is going to be equals to 10. So when you solve for x, that means that you divide by x square root of 2, and then here you're just going to, when you rationalize, you're going to have 5 square root of 2. So this guy is going to be 5 square root of 2. This guy is going to be 5 square root of 2. But do you have a technique or something that you can make this triangle, easier to do? Yes. Anytime you have a whole number right here, just divide it by 2 and then add the square root of 2. So look, for example, let's just do a quick example here. If this guy is 20, remember, and they tell me this is a right isosceles, immediately say, oh, 20 divided by 2 is 10, so this is 10 square root of 2, 10 square root of 2. Easy. Let's do really quick another example right here. Let's say that this guy is equals to 6. Then they tell you this is a right isosceles, so this is 3 square root of 2, 3 square root of 2. Beautiful. So now, just to recap, the 45, 90, when you have a 45, 90, like this one, remember this is going to be x, this is going to be x square root of 2. Say that, these two are the same. If the hypotenuse is a whole number, I'm going to just call it x, then here you can do x divided by 2 square root of 2, x divided by 2 square root of 2. So these are basically the two models that you should know for the test in order to do the 45, 90 triangle. I hope this helped you.